All right, we're in Hazel Park. We're at 312 Jarvis, and right now what you're seeing here is the water falling into the city sewer tap. But if you notice all this surrounding here, this is heavy, heavy, heavy root growth that's going to need to be cleared out. It's almost as though you're like 40% blocked just here at the tap. So we're going to kind of work our way back. We have clay line, and when we see this kind of stuff, this root growth, we see that's pretty normal, but as we're coming back here, you see that we have lateral growth in that particular spot right there. That concerns me a little bit, that we might have a crack there. More than likely it's not, but we're gonna kind of work our way back and see what the rest of the integrity of the line looks like. So when he does that, he washes the lens here. It's real common that we see root growth at the joints. But once again, here's more lateral root growth coming back, and this is on the bottom of the pipe. You see where the water is, so that's a little bit more concerning that we see the lateral growth. So what the recommendation is going to be, Emily, is that, okay, now we're in PVC already. All right, so the majority of the line now coming back is going to all be clean and this PVC, which is plastic, but that last little bit, at the very least, it has to be either hydrojetted with a very high pressure water jet that blasts all those roots out so that we can once again see the integrity of the pipe, or they have what's called a 6-inch expansion cutter tool that goes in, opens up, and spins like a food processor blade, and it cuts all those roots out. But once that's done, we can then see the integrity of that clay line. Do we have damage there? The other recommendation I'm going to make on this one is that the city gets out here and cleans out their portion of the sewer line as well. It's really bad.
Yeah.
It's really bad. So, the fact that theirs is so heavily intruded with roots can then create even backups into your place. So it's two recommendations. That about 10 feet of pipe for you guys gets cleaned out. The city gets out here and cleans out at least their section there right at your inlet on the tap there. So just so you have an idea, majority of it's in really good shape.
Okay.
This is all PVC from this point out back to the house, so I'm fairly certain that that's all going to be okay. As I mentioned earlier, there's no clean out inside the house, which there should be, so that you can continue on with this line so that there's no problem between here and there. But those are the recommendations, and at this point, it's something that really needs to be done as far as getting this cleaned out.